May it please your lordship,
Hmm.
due concern of the other side, I beg to mention item number 6 of the daily list, my lord.
On the prayer of the learned standing council, finance and taxation, matters then adjourned and be listed after vacation.
Shall you bless me?
May I please, your lordship, my lord, I beg to mention item number 8, my lord. So this matter will be taken up after vacation, my lord. We could not contact the petitioner. It may be infractions, my lord. It may be fixed after vacation, my lord. 8.
On the prayer of the learned council for the petitioner, matters then adjourned and be listed after vacation.
Obliged, my lord.
May I pray, Lordship, with the consent of the petitioner side, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, Lordship. Lordship, kindly this matter may become after vacation, Lordship.
21.
Lordship. After vacation, Lordship.
Okay. On the prayer of the learned standing council KASC,
Lordship.
matters then adjourned and be listed after vacation.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship, I
Yeah.
beg to mention item number 15 as per instruction of my senior. matter be
Item
passed-
number
15.
15. Yes,
After vacation, matter be passed over after vacation also.
after vacation. On the prayer of the learned council for the petitioner, matters then adjourned and be listed after vacation.
Thank you, Lordship.
Waiting for timing of this matter, your lordship, for some time, lordship.
What is the
Actually, in this case, lordship, we are praying for an interim, lordship. Sorry, what happened, lordship? There's a property
Yes,
in the name of.
My lord, the
Who are-
claim, my lord,
who is the person in whose favor the money is to be released?
in this case, my lord, the petitioner claim mutation on the basis of the sale deed executed by Hanumanti Company. We have sent that the Hanumanti Company submitted a petition during the mutation proceeding. The signature of the director is forged. We sent it to the forensic laboratory. Forensic laboratory found that the signature is a forged one, my lord, in respect of the sale deed submitted by the petitioner. And in respect of the sale deed submitted by the
Now,
minor,
just tell me, now this will examine, will
My
issue a notice. And now the in question of interim prayer so far relates to the release of the payment of compensation, that's not.
there is at this moment, my lord, there is nothing, my lord. That land acquisition proceeding has all been completed. Land
No,
has
no,
all been
we are
acquired.
not on that. They are saying that there are some money which is going to be released in favor of the private respondent.
There is no amount will be released, and stay order has all been granted by the Honorable Court by another proceeding, not to release, my lord, amount.
Where?
My
In
lord,
which
yes,
page?
stated, my lord. That is operating, my lord.
Where is that? Page 113. This matter is pending since till now. Page 114,
My lord.
Yes, lordship.
6995/2019.
My lord.
The interest,
So this matter is still pending.
Pending,
This is
Heard.
pending.
Heard Mr. Swencho, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Sutia, learned standing counsel for the KASC, representing respondent numbers.
Lordship, KAC,
Respondent numbers
1,
2, 3, and 4.
3, 4,
2, 3,
5,
4,
5,
5, no. 2, 3, and 4.
3 and 4. Mr. Roy,
4, 5.
you are Mr. C. Borua, respondent number 6, and Mr. Borpujari R1. Full stop. 7 is RK Talukdar. The petitioner is aggrieved by an order dated 27/3/2024. Where is the MP order?
Yes, my lord, page numbers.
No, tell me the date.
1 second. Date is 27/3/24.
27/3/2024. Passed by
Joint
respondent number
4.
4.
respondent number 4, whereby the claim of the petitioner as regards mutation was rejected. Full stop. Issue notice returnable after 4 weeks. Full stop. Considering that this court in a connected writ petition, that is WPC 6995/2019, had already passed an order, filed by the petitioner had already passed an order directing that no payment of compensation shall be made on account of acquisition of land in question in favor of any party till the next date. Similar order is provided in this case till the next returnable date.
They should also produce the record because they say Hanuman Tea Company has filed objection. There is nothing like Hanuman Tea Company.
Okay.
My lord.
No, that
My
will
lord, yes,
take
my lord.
later.
Now we have, my lord, we have contemplated to file the FIR also, my lord, as we have received a forensic laboratory report, my lord, that the document is a forced one. We have contemplated.
Anyway, that is about.
Then you should have awaited.
I think ordered accordingly.
My lord, in this case, petitioner's husband died in a mysterious circumstance. His two sons also died. And the gentleman whom these people are helping is a person from Nagaland. He can't even buy land in Assam, in Karbi Anglong.
Provided.
Well, kindly see, a person from Nagaland they're
Absolutely.
helping, and my lord, they're not disowning their own people.
Will consider that time. Let you be. Quick job. The learned case, standing council KAC shall may file affidavit in this regard and also keep the record pertaining to the impugn order ready for perusal of this court.
Well, appeal has already been filed against that order that is pending. Petitioner is required to pursue that appeal under
So
section not for
file all this in
My lord,
objection
my-
in maintenance, will consider
lord.
deal it. You have not approached civil court.
Well, we have approached the civil court.
What happened?
Well, the injunction petition was also filed.
Uh.
And the injunction for the court said that since they are protected by the High Court now, so we will issue notice and thereafter the matter will be heard.
Okay, we'll take up this matter after vacation along with the main writ petition.
But this case, contempt case, my lord, because you also passed the order.
Ah.
The police, in spite of that, my lord, after the order was passed, they put in law and the police were informed and everything was done. They have not acted anything. You also issue at least notice, my lord. And after vacation, it may come.
See, this was, whatever was done, it was a temporary, nothing else.
But once you have also passed the order. it's
And
not-
that we understand, that
case
we
it
may
was
issue a notice,
Objective-
but ultimately at the end of the day, the question will remain how far in a writ proceedings.
No, depending,
we-
but then
we
now,
can-
my lord, what happened? Injunction
Hard.
also there,
Who is the alleged contemner in this case?
it's the officer in charge.
Heard Mr. Dr. Saraf, learned counsel for the petitioner. The present application is filed under Swenso and so alleging willful and deliberate violation of this court's order dated
What is it, my lord?
3/9/2024 passed in WPC 4477/2024. Issue notice to the sole respondent returnable on today's 4th, 10th is a working day. 12th of
And the petition is also listed as item 25, my lord.
full stop, full stop. In item 25, you write down, list this matter on 12th of November 2024, along with contempt petition 523 of 2024.
My lord, the
Interim order pass earlier shall continue till then.
Hang on, have you applied?
Anybody appears in that case?
No,
If anybody appears, then we may, somebody asks somebody be to there when item 22 is
my lord,
once again, 21 is called.
my lord.
My lord, in this matter, lordship, it was temporarily issued, lordship, because the NIT was published, but due to some technical fault, it has been
Temporarily to whom?
to the earlier, who was earlier there,
Earlier
who
was.
was
But
continuing.
the
not
order earlier in all cases, order has been passed
To
that
issue fresh note,
to
fresh tender.
fresh tender,
But
but
lordship, due
in
to
terms of that.
lordship.
Now, that will necessarily mean you also, for temporary arrangement also, you should do as per the act.
Lordship, because we have issued on 9th, it was due to technical fault, it was discontinued to subject to the beneficiaries, that way it was.
Let us
continued.
see what is.
Lordship, this, I have taken the printout, Lordship, but the print is not clear, Lordship. This was the for temporary issue. Because we have issued the tender and it was cancelled by 6/9/2024.
So tender is cancelled.
Cancelled.
Now,
due to some
when will you
technical-
give tender? How will you operate? There is a prima facie order in an interim measure that you can proceed with, but as per the Act, Food Safety Act,
Lordship-
and the act prescribes in their favor.
Lordship,
So you do the temporary arrangement by them.
Lordship already ordered.
No,
But
forget-
if it is possible, my officer said it could not be possible by them because they required 150 numbers of trucks, so that why it was not done by them.
Where is your senior?
We will come, my lord.
Okay, wait for some time.
Yes, no, after some time, obliged.
Yes, Pollution Control Board.
Pollution.
matter may be possible for timing, my lord.
Why?
So my senior,
Who is the senior? Yes, who is Pollution Control Board? Yes, tell us.
My lord, as per our, as per our instruction, Canada Rice Mill was established and operating without obtaining consent to establish from the Pollution Control Board.
Another rice mill.
No, Canada Rice Mill.
Huh?
Canada Rice Mill.
But you have given him some condition, he has fulfilled it.
No, your lordship, they have not submit the requisite documents to complete the application.
No, no. Where is that order?
My lord, this order is.
No, yes. The condition that you'll have to raise the wall and all, where are those?
my senior.
Nobody is prepared. We cannot wait for like this. পিছত মাতিবা। Yes, Mr. Bora.
My telephonic instruction is that there has been tampering on that meter has not been removed. And therefore the calculation cannot be done. And now he has to redo a fresh application by paying 500 rupees and a fine of 20,000 rupees. It will be immediately.
But where is the, notify him. You have not notified.
No, not notified,
Hard.
my lord, that
We'll dispose it of. Heard Mr. Pathak, learned counsel for the petitioner. The case of the petitioner is that petitioner applied for a water connection under JICA, J-I-C-A, JICA Estated Water Supply Scheme through the Guwahati Metropolitan Drinking Water and Sewage Board. According to him, despite completing all the formalities, the installation of water meter was left incomplete due to reasons incomplete. In such circumstances, the petitioner had also lost complaint. However, nothing was done. It is the case of the petitioner that without the connection without giving the connection, now the petitioner has been issued a communication dated 31/8/2024
let's go through the communication.
that the connection of the petitioner has been disconnected. Water connection to the residence of the petitioner has been disconnected for using water without meter illegally. Full stop. Full stop. By the said communication, the petitioner was asked to attend the office of the managing director, Guwahati Municipal Metropolitan Drinking Water and Sewage Board, if he want to reconnect the line. Full stop. Issue notice returnable after 4 weeks. Mr. Bora accepts notice for all the respondents. Full stop. Mr. Bora on instruction submits that there is manipulation in the meter and therefore the petitioner's connection was, petitioner's water supply was disconnected and it can be restored subject to filing a fresh application or with payment of rupees 500 and deposit of rupees 20,000. Full stop. Mr. Pathak submits that subject to outcome of this petition, he is agreeable to do that for restoration of connection. However, the same should be without prejudice to his right that may be determined in the present petition. Full stop. Accordingly, as an interim measure, it is provided that the respondent board shall reconnect the reconnect the electricity, sorry, water supply connection to the residence of the petitioner on filing a fresh application after deposit of rupees 500 and fine of 20,000 full stop. However, such interim order shall not be is not to the prejudice of the rights and the rights that may be determined in the writ petition.
No, no, one minute.
Authority before whom the application is to be filed, perhaps that might.
That a managing director.
Managing
No,
director.
no, Lordship, I'm not appealing for respondent number 6. He's a private person name, Sanjay Ray, my lord.
He is the contractor.
But up
I'll
to
take,
one,
I'll
two,
take
okay,
steps for
fine.
it.
Notice to respondent number 6 steps. That's it. What's interest are there, we'll see later. Publish.
May I plead your lordship?
Yes.
The petitioner before your lordship was an employee under the Guwahati University, your lordship. An FIR was lodged regarding forgery of mark sheet in
Yes,
Borpeta.
madam, just have an instruction whether you require the, what is the present status? Okay, we are not issuing notice. First, MS F. Hussain, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also, MS U. Das. Full stop. The
Yes,
grievance,
123, my lord.
we are not issuing notice
Lordship.
for respondent number 1, 2, and 3. The fundamental grievance of the petitioner that the bank account of the petitioner was put on hold by the respondent bank under order then in connection with, what is the case number?
Yes,
In
case number-
connection with Borpeta PS case number 74 of 2024. However, at this stage, there is no requirement of holding such account and petitioner has been deprived of his valuable right. Full stop. In view of the limited prayer, this court, instead of issuing notice of motion at this stage, requested MS U. Das to obtain instruction from the investigating officer of Borpeta Road PS case number 74 of 2024, whether such, what is the status of the investigation and whether such bank account is still required to be put under hold.
Obliged.
List this matter on
Lordship, after vacation.
after vacation.
After vacation.
Give a date.
Any date, my lord, after my lord.
Give a date. 25th of October.
Obliged, lordship.
Only at this moment I noticed maybe, my lord. I have already.
Why before vacation, these kind of methods are by order? Please tell us. First reason for not releasing this matter after vacation.
My lord, sometimes for our.
Huh?
For our purpose, my lord, we file it before vacation. Your lordship can understand what is the reasons for filing this writ petition.
We do not know what is the
There is a
reason.
vacation for long
But
period.
before vacation by order heard, Mr. Rachidri Lanet, counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner is aggrieved by non-grant of PSO
My lord, we have been granted PSO only in Karbi Anglong.
for not allowing his PSO to
For the other place of.
go beyond the district of Karimganj and huh? Beyond the district Karbi Anglong,
Karbi Anglong is to.
beyond the district Karbi Anglong. You want to go to Karimganj?
Other places
Okay.
where I.
Beyond the Karbi Anglong. Issue notice returnable after 4x. Who accepts? You accept. You accepts. Sorry. You does accepts notice for all the.
But
Extra copies.
Tendency may not be a bar to dispose of
Tendency
my.
shall not be barred to consider the case of the petition. Is permissible under
Okay.
the extant norms. Yes, next case.
No, this sort of 42 and 43 taken after some time. Advocate General is appearing in this case.
Who will appear?
Advocate General is appearing in this case. After some time.
Yes, same. Why should we entertain?
Same lordship.
Huh?
Same lordship.
What is the urgency?
Urgency is I failed to file on time. My fault.
Okay, Mr. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. The grievance of the petitioner is that that the petitioner want to install a bust BUST of late Bholanath Borua. See the name in the Bholanath Borua at Prince of Wales Institution of Engineering and Technology, Jorhat. However, same has not been considered by the competent authorities. Issue notice returnable after 4 weeks. Mahanta accepts for all extra copies.
Highly of the
Where is the Deputy Commissioner's order?
Your Lordship, it is page 38.
Yes.
It's 38.
Here, their whole case is that a private entity is constructing a bridge.
Bridge.
Now, the Deputy Commissioner has asked them not to do, then also they are continuing. Stay hard, Mr. and Nenja, learned counsel for the petitioner. The grievance of the petitioner is that the petitioners are the residents of the locality of Mother Teresa Road, Poop Gitanagar. Isn't that it?
Yes.
Full stop. It is the grievance of the petitioner that the respondent number 7 has started constructing a foot overbridge, causing severe public nuisance, obstruction, health hazard. And in this regard, the district magistrate, Kamrup Metropolitan District, under its order dated 11/9/2024,
I can do it. It's necessary, not movable limit.
on the basis of the complaint received by the localities, asked to what is the ask?
Your Lordship, there is a height
Height
tensor
and
axis line was passing through.
Asked to ascertain the issue in as much as there is a high tension electrical line passes over the road.
Considering the safety of the, my lord,
Mm.
commuters, my lord, that is.
And the subdivisional engineer, Jew Road Electricity Subdivision, was directed to submit a no objection certificate in this regard. According to the petitioner, without having any NOC and without verification, the respondent number 7 is still continuing with the construction.
My lord.
Full stop. Issue notice returnable on after
Page 22. Lord.
page 22. Page 22.
This is it, yeah.
Full stop. Full stop. It is on record that an NOC was granted by the chief engineer, PWD Roads, Assam, Sanmari,
Got it.
Guwahati, with certain conditions. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that such conditions are violated, and without awaiting for the report as directed by the district magistrate Kamrup, the construction is being carried out. Full stop. In the this matter requires further consideration. Accordingly, let the notice be issued. Full stop. Considering the balance of convenience and prima facie case, it is provided that the respondent number 7 shall stop the construction forthwith. Full stop. A copy of the order be till the returnable date. A copy of the order be furnished to the MSU, thus learned counsel, for onward transmission to the district magistrate, Kamrup Metropolitan District, for necessary action. Full stop. A copy of the order also be furnished to Mr. Nayak, Learned Standing Council.
Respondents are otherwise there.
There, na?
Private
Yes,
respond.
private
No caveat, na? They are not there. So at
No.
least this, there should be.
My lord,
Okay, not necessary. Last part is not necessary.
Certified copy of this
Order.
served to the
Okay, the petitioner is
Allow-
granted a liberty to furnish a downloaded copy of this order before the district magistrate, Kamrup Metropolitan District, for necessary implementation of this order.
Supply.
Steps within 5 days, both ways.
my lord. Extra,
In addition, Dusty.
my lord.
And extra copies.
Extra copies. Deeply obliged.
Respond number 7. Is date returnable after? Give after a month, 4 weeks. 27th of November.
November.
Yes.
Okay.
The respondent number 7 shall be at liberty to seek for modification, vacation, alteration of this order.
Another court.
Now you say that this is a temporary arrangement and you don't have the capacity to 150
Yes, we
plus.
have, my lord.
You have.
Since long, my lord. We have made a statement.
Now issue us the earlier orders of this court.
Yes, page 80, your loss kind, page 80. That case, NIT was issued by.
Now they say he was continuing.
For this month, for the month of October.
No, they said that the earlier person has
Last
been.
2 years, my lord, we are repeated, we are approaching the government.
Ah.
Thereafter, your lord's kindly see page 30, your lordship, page 30. Please your cabinet decision. Then page 31, your lord's kindly.
Hmm.
On our, my lord, approach the government, your lordship will find,
Page
page 30, first cabinet decision, your lord's kindly.
30.
30. Petition. This is from the Secretary, Food and Civil Supply. With the subject cited above, the decision of the cabinet meeting held on so and so, I am directed to request you kindly to take necessary steps for accepting preferential treatment to the GPVS in awarding the transport contracts for food grains under so NFS. Thereafter, my lord, in pursuant to that, page 31. Your logical third line, my. On 24th July 24, the undersigned had received an application submitted jointly by the President and Secretary, the present petitioners, my lord, Gwalpara GPS Coordinator Committee, Gwalpara, wherein they requested to allow themselves the transportation work of allotted food and so and so. They also stated that during the discussion held with the minister, also, my lord, he expressed his willingness to allow the transportation work of the allotted food to the so and so. Moreover, undertaking submitted by the secretaries of the concerned GPS with the declaration to lift the distribution within the stipulated time are enclosed herewith for your kind notice. In this regard, I therefore request you to kindly look into the aforesaid matter and accord necessary approval pertaining to lifting the so and so by the so and so till to the tender system. Thereafter, madam, we came before this, and your lordship order is page 37. In spite of that, they have allotted to him by the earlier. They did not do anything for the present petitioner. So page 37. And your lordship asked them to on the same day, my lord, they have issued page 39. Same day.
Page 31 is the request to continue with Chaitanya Sharma.
Yes.
My lord,
Ah,
page 39.
okay. And
Page 39.
now page 39.
Now, in that case, by the extension in page 31, it is to allow us, my.
This is page 39 by whom?
It is by the.
It is the implemented order, my.
Huh?
This is their
Order, my lord, that order your lordship can see 18 September 24.
Page.
Page 39.
Page 39 is an order, allotment of regularized.
No, temporary,
Temporary given
for the
to
month of
Chaitanya.
October.
Annexure D, page 39.
D.
Yes.
Allotment of regularized.
That not your lordship, the middle for the month of October.
Allotment of
Your lordship.
regular for the month of October 24.
October, the last date of
regular
lifting the allot
rice
is third line, my lord, the rise for the month of October is 39/24. the allotted rice is to be distributed to so and so, so and so. And thereafter, my lord, on receipt of the orders from the secretaries of the respective GPPs.
Just the latest pursuant to W2 from the Commissioner of Food and Guwahati and subsequent online allocation of so the monthly online regular rice is made for the month of October and the last date of filing allotted rice for month of so. The allotted rice is to be distributed head per month per person free of cost. MS Naran Trade Branch tayar of this to ensure doorstep delivery of rice and then on receipt of release. Okay, fine then.
So this is now under challenge, madam. Thereafter, madam, because of this, we have withdrawn the writ petition.
This was under challenge.
This is not correct.
Then tender was issued.
No.
tender not issued.
Earlier tender was issued on,
In that case, madam, in page 80, your lordship, in that case, tender was issued. And in this case, your lordship's observation is there, madam, page 37.
Page
The
37.
Yes, the petitioner of the Panchayat Samiti apprehending that NIT may be issued.
Hmm.
Your lordship's observation is there.
Hmm.
Page 37, second paragraph. Because in that letter, they have stated that till e-tendering, we may be allowed.
Now, Mr. Chaudhuri, just tell us, in terms of the division bench order, it is, if it is page
Division
Page
bench order is page 66, madam.
66.
Yes. Division bench order, that is, madam, one writ petition was dismissed, they have gone to the division bench. So that is another case, madam. We have not gone to division bench, madam. Here it is written, considering the fact that the applicants
So
are continuing
division
to
bench
leave the
order
district.
was so far relating to, Samobai Samiti.
Hmm.
It says that considering the fact the appellants are continuing to leave the distribute food grains from the designated spots,
Yes.
we direct the parties to maintain status quo in respect of assisted system or decision PDS committees insofar as transportation is contract till the final decision of the appeal. So it says what is existing should be continued.
That is, madam.
Now, following this, interim orders are passed in by the
Yes.
different coordinate bands
Mhm.
saying that lifting and distribution food grains of the designated spots should be carried out as per existing system of distribution.
That case, private was not given, madam. NIT was issued. In our case, NIT was not issued, private party was given.
So therefore, your whole case is that till when you have continued?
I am continuing since, madam, more than 2 decades, I think.
No, last when,
Oh, last
last,
19, madam.
no, when it was issued to the private,
19, it appears from that order, madam. Page,
when it was first issued to the, is he a respondent? Is he a respondent in this
Yes.
case?
yes,
Okay, respondent number?
6.
When was it?
Seven.
It was given, respondent number 7,
Seven.
last.
yes, so last given, it is reflected in the order itself, madam.
Tell us.
Page 39.
Hmm.
No order is there, madam. only
Not
there
there,
concern.
Lordship.
No, tell us till which date you continued? This is the vital issue.
Prior to 19.
Prior to 98 means there must be some dates when the respondent number 7 was given.
This order, it is reflected, madam.
Please tell us.
Yes, so 30 year, it is there, madam, 19, 13, 8, 19.
13, 8, 19, it was first given.
First given. Thereafter, we approve the government.
Ah,
Ultimately, government has issued order of, madam, your loss will find 13, 8, 24. Cabinet decision was taken.
Hmm.
Long 3 years, 4 years, madam, we continue to approve the government
Hmm.
instead of coming to this honorable court, madam. Thereafter, this order they have passed. Cabinet decision was
The
taken,
tender was,
then order
so
was given.
it was due to some technical fault, it was cancelled, so it was continuing for the month of October only. My instruction is. for that. It was issued on 31/8/24. But due to some technical fault, it has been cancelled on 6/9/24.
seems Deputy Commissioner is happy with this man.
Lordship, and Lordship, that order I have placed,
Our secretary, he is to take and he simply Totally he is to take. We
Yes,
get
sir.
one,
Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petition. The petitioners are 22 Gaon Panchayat 23 Gaon Panchayat Samabay Samitis Limited. Their grievance is that for last 2 decades, the transportation of food grains under National Food Safety Act.
National Food Security came on the 13.
On 2013.
It is came 13.
No,
So from 13 you lost instead of taking 2 decades, my lord, in the terms of this.
It is the case of the petitioner that
Yes.
the petitioner, Gaupamar Samabay Samiti Limited, are awarded with the transport contracts,
No, it is
not
not
contracts,
contract. my lord.
has been transporting the food grains under
Lifting and distributing, both my lord. They have to lift from the godown FCI, that to distribute to the consumers.
GPSS societies are lifting and distributing food grains under National Food Security Act 2013.
13.
Full stop. However, the state proposed to carry out such transportation of food grains through tender process. And accordingly, some GPSS Samabay Samiti challenged such decision of the state authorities, which was negated by a coordinate bench. Accordingly, the said petitioners approached the division bench by filing writ appeal 249/2018 and the division bench under its order dated 3/9/2018, while admitting the appeal, has provided as an interim measure that the GPSS society / appellants are to continue to lift and distribute food grains from designated depots as per existing system of distribution of PDS commodities so far as the transportation is concerned till final decision of the appeal. Subsequently, in other GPSS societies, there are such procedure applied, and different GPSS societies approached this court by filing writ petition, and coordinate benches, while issuing notice of motion, considering the order passed in the aforesaid writ appeal, also provided that the existing system of distribution shall be allowed to be continued for distribution of food grains from the designated depots, and the NIT issued has already been stayed. The present writ petition is filed apprehending that NIT, the present writ petitioner approached this court by filing WPC,
Earlier one.
earlier one, page,
Yes. Page, your losses product is page 39.
page
No,
13.
sorry, 37.
Approached this court by filing WPC,
Page 32. my-
477/2024, and this court, while issuing notice of motion on 18/9/2024, no interim order passed, as the learned counsel representing the state respondent submitted that no NIT has been issued, and he will obtain instruction as to whether the NIT shall involve the outside player or it involves only GPSS society. while during pendency of this writ petition,
On the same day.
on 18/9/2024, an order has been issued allotting the transportation contract to the respondent number 7. And accordingly, the earlier writ petition was withdrawn or it's pending.
23/9/24, page 46.
Earlier writ petition was
135.
withdrawn and the present writ petition is filed. Full stop. Mr. Chaudhary, learned counsel submits that it is an illegality by giving a transport contract to the petitioner in as much as already there is a cabinet, respondent number 7, and already there is a cabinet decision directing all the district commissioners to allot the distribution of food grains under so Act 2013 to the GPSS society. In spite of such policy decision of the state, the deputy commissioner has issued the impugn order. Full stop. Mr. Roy, learned counsel on instruction has submits that though and no NIT, that the NIT could not be issued due to some technical fault. And for that reason, the transportation was allowed to the respondent number 7 for the month of October only. On the other hand, October only. On the other hand, Mr. Chaudhary submits that the GPSS societies were doing the same process for last 2 decades. And therefore, in view of the interim orders passed earlier by the Writ Appellate Court as well as by the coordinate bench, the deputy commissioner ought to have allowed the petitioner to distribute the food grains, lift and distribute the food grains instead of involving a public player, in as much as the mandate of the Act 2013 also prescribes such course of action. This matter needs further consideration. Taking note of the cabinet decision, taking note of the communication dated 13 July 2021.
13/8/24.
Third,
13 July.
First 13/7/21.
where is the cabinet decision?
Page 30. And in terms of that, page 31 of the issue.
That 31, it was directed to give the respondent number 7.
No,
Huh?
no. 31 is there. Yes.
No. Page 30.
Yes, that is
The
the cabinet
cabinet.
decision.
Not
And,
cabinet decision.
and 31, you also kindly say page 30.
Considering the communication dated 33/37/2021 of the Secretary to the Government of Assam, CS and CA Department, asking all the deputy commissioners to give preferential treatment to the GPSS societies. What is 31?
31 is also fine.
Hmm.
We have applied to the government on 24th July.
Hmm.
Thereafter, moreover, undertaking submitted by the secretary to the concerned GPS.
This was under challenge.
No,
No, this
Not
not,
challenge.
we are not, my lord, because we have been allowed to, my lord, till the conducting system.
Hmm.
That was telling in
Considering
that
the
writ petition.
opposite and the litigation and has history and issue involved, full stop. The impugn, where is the decision to allot?
Impunidor.
Ah.
Impunidor is page 39, my.
Let the deputy commissioner handle. Page 39. Let the deputy commissioner handle. Considering the impugn order dated 18th of September 2024 shall remain suspended. And
the petitioners may be allowed to.
Lordship, kindly see page 31, Lordship. Page 31, it is with reference to subject cited above. I have the honor to inform you that all handling and transport of food grain under Food Security 13 in respect of Goalpara district is being done by selected firm Satyanarayana, and it was
Hmm.
given to him only, Lordship.
No,
after
no,
that,
thereafter.
Hmm.
That is the factual. Then again, this office is being taking necessary steps for selection.
Press transporter.
Then on 20 July, the undersigned received application submitted by jointly by the President Secretary of the Cooperative of the Society. They also stated that the Minister expressed. Moreover, undertaking submitted by the secretaries. Then in this regard, I therefore request you to kindly look into the information matter and accord necessary approval pertaining to lifting and distribution so and so by the GPPS till selection of the ISO.
So therefore, there is no necessity of engaging him. there is no necessity of seeking approval. Already there is an order of the 2021.
Lordship, it
Full
was
stop.
from the.
This court also have taken note of the communication of the district commissioner dated 13th August 2024 addressed to the secretary to the government of Assam Food and Public Distribution Consumer Affairs Department contending that the petitioners, the petitioner GPS societies may be granted
Approval.
requested the commission secretary to grant approval for lifting and distribution of food grain under NFSA 2013 by the GPSS W/WCC till selection of L1 bidder through e-tendering process in respect of Goalpara district. In view of the aforesaid, now it will, this is stayed and the liberty is granted to the Deputy District Commissioner to act as per his proposal dated 13th of December 2020.
Lordship, it will affect the beneficiaries, Lordship.
Let Deputy Commissioner face it.
Right.
He is hellbound, hellbent. He proposes something, then they files writ petition. He gives you some instruction. They withdraw this writ, we do not pass an interim order. Then on the same day that order is passed, and now he on the same date he allots it to the contractor. Let the consumer face and notice 4 weeks steps. Yes.
Well, this is the impine order against the page 34, the impine order, my lord. My lord, all other documents are okay, my lord, but only, my lord, pollution certificate, my lord. And
Where is page 34? Page?
page 34 is the impine order, my lord.
Page 34.
Yes, my lord. Annexure 3.
Who passed this order?
The Deputy Commissioner, my lord, District Commissioner, Vijay, my lord. And before that, my lord, another order, lordship may kindly page 20, by which a direction was issued to comply, my lord.
No, please tell us where is the order to you that you will have to fulfill this. You will have to raise the wall.
Yes.
And where is that?
That is page 20, my lord.
Page?
20. Annexure 1. My last question, my lord.
Now, what is the status of the pollution certificate?
My lord, I apply annexure 2, my lord.
And what is your instruction?
As per my instruction, city application was submitted on 31st 8 2024, but the same was returned back on 5/9/2024 as requisite documents to complete the application was not fulfilled. Then
You
again,
complete that, that's all.
again-
Complete, my lord.
You complete it.
And I also made payment, my lord, 40,000 something, my lord. I have
To whom?
pollution control board, my lord.
So you complete it. Can we say that without pollution control certificate, allow them to run it?
I will comply with my lord. Meantime.
Please,
yes,
Mr. Counsel,
lord.
please understand. Nobody has taken any action. The Deputy Commissioner, there is a complaint. Deputy Commissioner says, yes, you raise the wall and get a pollution certificate. Pollution certificate is a necessary. So accordingly, you have raised the wall. Only second condition is to be fulfilled is the pollution certificate. The Deputy Commissioner, in absence of the pollution control certificate, has stayed the operation. This is your case. Now they come and say that, see, we received this, but certain documents are not there, we have returned it. So can I, by an interim order, we say that please allow him to continue without a pollution certificate?
No, my lord.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
That is correct.
No. So if no, we are disposing of this writ petition, saying that you complete the process and thereafter Deputy Commissioner will revisit the issue and pass necessary order afresh. That's all.
Yes.
Notice will do nothing. You proceed.
Nothing. Yes, madam.
Heard Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, learned H.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the
Madam.
Ziuddin, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard
D
MS.
Datta.
Huh?
D Datta.
T. Datta for the
Okay.
Pollution Control Board and Mr. MSU Das for the respondent number 1 to 4. The present application is filed assailing an order dated. Where is that? Please.
Page. Page 34.
Impugn order you should flag
34.
mark. Yes. Page
34.
page 34.
Yes, Annex 3.
An order dated 16/9/2024 passed by the District Commissioner Hojai Sankardev Nagar, whereby the petitioner was asked to directed to stop operating the rice mill and to ask and also ask the petitioner to shift the rice mill at a suitable place with non-agricultural uses and after obtaining all necessary supporting documents along with valid pollution certificate. Full stop. It is on record that a complaint has been filed by respondent number
6. Madam.
Respondent number 6, a neighbor of the petitioner, alleging that the rice mill operated by the petitioner has created nuisance and nuisance, full stop. Accordingly, the district commissioner asked the petitioner to produce all related documents regarding operation of rice mill and after considering all the documents produced by the petitioner, the district commissioner asked the petitioner to construct / erect a high wall / partition to curb the problem of dust and sound pollution and to obtain up-to-date pollution certificate of the rice mill from the concerned authority and to submit the same before the the district commissioner. Full stop. Pursuant to such order dated, what is the date? 13/8/2024. It is contended by the petitioner that he has already constructed the boundary wall by investing how much?
Madam, that was not.
That was
there.
somewhere you have stated anyway.
Madam, in Pollution Control Board, I have paid 40,500.
No, you have said something regarding wall also.
Madam,
There is some statement anyway. If you do not know, we will not go to
Madam,
that. Yes, forget about that. By making substantial investment. And also applied for the pollution certificate, up-to-date pollution certificates. However, such pollution certificate has not been granted to the petitioner till date. And the deputy commissioner, without awaiting for such decision of the Pollution Control Board, had issued the impugn order. Full stop. Issue notice returnable after 4 weeks. So and so for respondent number 7, registered post with AD. 6 registered post with AD, both ways. Full stop. Considering the nature and allegation and the earlier proceeding till the interim order, it is provided that the direction of the deputy commissioner to shift the rice mill to a suitable place with non-agricultural uses shall remain suspended. Full stop. At this stage, the Learned Standing Council for the Pollution Control Board submits that the petitioner's application for grant of a certificate has been returned to the petitioner on
18/9/2024.
18/9/2024 for rectification and for filing afresh. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he shall do the needful in this regard, full stop. Be that as it may, pendency of the writ petition shall not be a bar for the Pollution Control Board to consider the application of the petitioner for grant of pollution certificate as per law. You will not be shifted, but you have the pollution and start running. It is needless to say that if the petitioner is granted pollution certificate, he may be allowed to operate the rice mill, subject to outcome of this writ petition.
Please, Your Lordship. The second bail application, my lord. The
Where is
document
that?
are
Order, earlier order.
at page 16, my lord. That's the case of my lord kidnapping, my lord.
Who are you?
My lord, I am
All.
no, man. I am Anwar Hussain, my lord. My submission is that, my lord,
Mm.
the number 3 Siddiq Ali, my lord.
Mm.
The victim had, my lord, taken a loan from Siddiq Ali, my lord,
Mm.
and he has not returned, my lord.
Mm.
And accordingly, these 3% kidnapped. That is the allegation,
Mm.
and it's true, my lord. I, Anwar Hussain, my lord, had that he is there, my lord. I've shown the house, my lord. My lord, the victim next day he was recovered.
Mm.
And other 2 persons got arrested and they got bailed, my lord. My custodial interrogation at this stage may not be required, my lord. I think so, my lord. That's my submission and that's my instruction, my lord.
But what we see is a minor boy, so he was taken.
This is not a minor.
Or not minor, this is not minor. He was taken to some place.
To a market, my lord, nearby, my lord.
No, nearby market.
In fact, my lord, I am the neighbor of the, my lord, the victim, my lord. I have shown the house, my lord. It's true, my lord. That for that, my lord, custodial interrogation,
Just
my
give
lord.
the case that.
Last time on 164, I was implicated.
So only since the circumstances, the others are arrested.
Sir, arrested, and
they-
he was recovered on the very next day, my lord. I have shown the house, my lord.
My lord, from the city it reveals this, his part is there, my lord.
Yes, I do agree,
Real
my lord.
part is there.
Only ground can be is the vacation, nothing more. But that will depend what is this will pass this. We'll see. That can be the only ground. But still we'll see what is what. Whether that benefit can also be granted or not.
My lord.
I'm obliged, man.
Here, the petitioners are in custody since 8/5/2022. What is the status? The status is, Lordship, when my last bail application was rejected, the SLP was filed. And at that point of time, Lordship, 5 witnesses were examined. What happened to the SLP? That order, your Lordship will find at page 86. That observation is there, Lordship, that liberty was granted that within reasonable time. Page 56. 86. Huh? 86. It was disposed of on 25/4/2024. What is the earlier order? Earlier order by coordinate bench that your Lordship will find page. So it should go to that bench. That already order was. No, that has been rejected. This you have known. That order was passed by coordinate bench that directing to list before this court, Lordship. No, one of the accused was granted bail by your Lordship. Your bail has been rejected by that bench. We have already told, but thereafter that order was passed. Where is that order? Passed 13/9 order, Lordship, may kindly see.
My lord, page number 55.
Order. We have granted to whom? Shah Jahan. What was the role of Shah Jahan?
Here, Lordship, what happened, Lordship, that police said that contraband was recovered from Cowshed. And these three persons were together. And your Lordship found that witnesses said that Shahjahan was brought subsequently from his house after recovery. And in my case also, your Lordship will find that witnesses say that some witnesses say it is from.
What is that? How many witnesses examined?
My lord, 5 numbers of witnesses were examined, my lord.
How many left?
My lord, 5 numbers of witnesses left, my lord.
When the trial started, give a list.
Lordship.
That I will.
What is the next date fix?
My lord,
30-10.
next
Huh?
date is
30-10.
Huh?
310.
Okay, we'll consider on 4th of November.
My lord.
Is this matter on 4th or 5th of November? Huh? Let us see what happened on 30th. Just obtain the
I
necessary.
will obtain the certificate.
Motion, give a date. 5th of November.
May I please go?
Yes.
My lord, scan copy perhaps not.
Scan copy is received. Yes, go through. The scan copy of the case record has been received. Full stop. The Mr.
My lord.
Bush, Learned Regional Public Prosecutor may go through the same and assist this court on the next date fix.
My lord.
List it on 5th of November.
Please.
Same order.
83, 483, LCR received, Lordship.
Same order
Lordship,
on 5th.
Lordship, this person is suffering from TB, is admitted in the hospital. That is why Lordship fixed.
You get a treatment. Better you are in a hospital.
But Lordship,
Are you alleging that treatment is not been given properly?
they are giving,
Yes,
Lord,
yeah, treatment is given, be under treatment on 5th we will consider. If you are released also, you will be in hospital, is not it?
but
on-
home care is required, that is,
Huh?
home care is required, Lordship, that is.
Hospital care is, you are there with hospital care.
This long back, Lordship, no witnesses is.
Not
That's
today. On 5th of November.
Can it be before that, Lordship, if possible?
It
Lordship?
cannot be before that.
Ablabi.
Same, huh? Is you go through the same item?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
I filed the additional affidavit for non-appearance of the engaged counsel on 5/6/2024. In pursuance of the order dated 9/9/2024. So, my lord, I was seriously ill on that particular date. As such, I could not be able to appear on 5/6/2024, and my
Hold the order. Order of dismissal.
Sir, Your Honor, the 7/8/2000, the order, the two repetition was dismissed for non-prosecution on 7/8/2024 by the Honorable Justice Devanshu Bhura.
Don't take name. Now tell us, on earlier occasions also you did not appear. Where is your explanation?
I have filed the additional affidavit.
Where is that? That why it could not appear?
It is available in the record. I filed the additional affidavit.
Now, which are the dates? Tell us. Give the
On
repetition.
5/6/2024 and 7/8/2024.
Now, what about 7/8? Your explanation?
My lord, I went to Nagaon for my family treatment, and my junior was not available due to some health problem.
We'll consider after vacation. List this matter after vacation.
Yes.
In item 48, the medical status of the health, Lordship may be called.
Let's see. We'll pass this.
That should be there.
Obviously.
These are those matters, but along with that, we had filed that another IA, that's at item number 49 tag. Two had filed earlier, two were left out. And I fairly concede, my lord, whatever steps or actions my colleagues department would take would not be wrong. Durga Puja coming, let it come after the vacation, some protection will let them work for it till Diwali, then they should vacate. There should not be a formal order now. Let it come. I understand what happens. They don't have a matter of right, lordship. It's
No
very
matter of right, only vacation, nothing more.
let it come after the vacation on any date. As my senior colleague had said, after Diwali, let it be there. We'll not make a.
Why do you vacate that?
We are trying to.
Don't
improve upon the
try to
situation.
vacate that because it is
I
well settled.
fairly understand, but with that one liner from your lordship, it
No, forget about our liner that we are passing that order today or tomorrow
I know.
and you'll be thrown out. This is, we understand, but do it on your own.
Absolutely. I tried
We
to
are
impress
fixing-
upon the
we are fixing
clients
it.
also. We tried that.
When is the Diwali?
And then
First-
then it should be
31st
before
and
Diwali,
first.
then
Huh?
it should be lordship last week of October, lordship.
It is.
Okay, we are giving this date on 5th of November.
I understand.
And on that date,
I'll come up
we
with something.
expect that Mr. Bonik will come and say that this meter has become infractions.
Lordship.
That much only.
Lordship. 49 is also there, Mika. The two
Yes.
others were left out.
List this meter on 5th of November. Interim order, parcel shall continue till then.
Item number 49 is the same prayer by the two others who were left out below.
Item 49.
Same prayer by the two others
They
who were
will not
left out.
do. We need not pass any separate order.
They-
Already we have passed again as read petition.
But since we got this, they filed because
I do not think so.
they are troubling me. Lord.
They will not trouble. They are very cooperative.
My instructions are they are actually
No.
because they are not filed.
Where is item 49? Give a 49. Huh? Since an order has already been in item 49, since an order has already been passed in IA civil number 30H7 2023 in WPC 2698 of 2023, no separate order need be passed in this case, in as much as the present applicants were also petitioners in the aforesaid writ petition.
Wait.
List this matter along with so and so. 49 along with
24.
24. Hearing concluded, judgment reserved. That's all? Anything you want to add? No, nothing. If you want to say something, it's fine.
Lordship.
Anything? Well, already we have recorded. Hearing concluded, judgment reserved. Yes, madam.
I have already submitted the details, but affidavit is not on record at present, but it is with the opposite counsel.
Submitted details of whom? Power of attorney holder or the main person?
Main person.
Lordship will look into, my lord, page 12, 13 of the affidavit,
Page
13.
of your affidavit,
My lord, I read petition or affidavit.
filed on
No, I read petition, my lord.
Read
Read
petition.
But we look into the signature.
Hmm.
Ram Narayan Ram, my lord.
Mm.
Then lordship will look into page 72 of the additional affidavit,
Page 72.
of the additional affidavit. Page 72. Look at, lordship will look into the signature.
Second copy.
Now, where is the details?
My lord, they have filed, my lord, additional affidavit.
Hmm.
The bank account and number of bank account and all this, my lord, PAN card, my lord.
Where is that bank account?
Bank, they have, my lord, submitted in by way of additional affidavit.
No,
today.
where is that bank account in shop? Which
My lord,
district?
the first page, my lord.
Huh?
Whether a person, lordship may make a query whether a person is a literate person or illiterate person. He's a 72
We are not
years old.
closing this petition today. An affidavit has been, we will not close it.
My lord.
We
Lordship, may
do
ask-
not want the officers to tweak and twist. At the same time, we do not want somebody, even if necessary, will ask an
lord.
investigation
My lord,
in this
my
situation.
lord, my lord,
We will not
my lord.
allow this. We are strict so
My
far
lord.
relation to the officers, and at the
My
same
lord.
time, if it is a
My lord.
played on
My lord.
taking advantage of an illiterate person, ignorant person who stays in Bihar, and somebody is taking as power of attorney and giving account, we will first ask the bank
My
to
lord.
verify in
My
whose account, whose name, whose signature.
And
We are
the
not,
signature, my lord.
We have no
Uh,
picture.
and it is submitted, then additional affidavit has been filed by the petitioner. Full stop. Petitioner, same is not on record. Registry to do the needful to bring the same on record if already filed and list this matter on 28th of November for further hearing.
Maybe possible for the time being, my lord, there, learned AG will appear, my lord, time being, my lord.
After vacation,
My lord, after some time, my lord.
this matter that how
After some time, my lord,
okay.
my lord, deeply obliged. Yeah.
Since AG has said their thing is clarified from the memorandum, so we'll take the
Let
call.
him appear. Sometime.
Necessary. AG.
Lordship has got it there, my lord, 24 notification.
24 to 15 notification.
No, Lord, that recent notification.
There is a recent notification.
Lordship.
What it says?
Lordship, no professional appointment has been given. And it is suitably. After the Devavara Tiwari.
Is it under challenge? Not
No.
yet.
This is recently, my lord, it has been made.
Okay. And a notification dated 18th of September 2024 is brought on, produced by Mr. Hendik Learned Counsel, suggesting that the scheme of the state for appointment of family member of government servant on compassionate grounds has been modified in terms of the determination made by the Honorable Apex Court in the case of State of West Bengal versus Debabrata Tiwari and others, and it was decided that no the administrative department / authority shall not entertain any application in this regard who died in harness, etc. on prior to 31/3/2017. Yes, you have a copy on this.
So this has sealed the whole thing, Lordship.
But
we have a very good policy, Lordship, from 2017. So there is no this kind of issues. Everybody gets full benefit as if the person was alive.
Thereafter,
Even the pension,
yes.
everything.
Now there is a
including the increments.
new policies there, so therefore that they will get the salary, something like that of the.
As if he was alive, he will get all the benefits. The increment in the salaries,
And once his superannuation comes, then the family pension.
List this matter after vacation.
My name may be recorded.
I have recorded it.
Yes.
Advocate.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
মোচন কেইটা মাতি দিয়া কমল দা আৰু হেৰি এইবিলাক ৰখি থাকি লাভ নাই কিমান আছে এডমিশ্যন কিমান আছে হেৰি কেইটা মাতি দিয়া লেফট অভাৰ মোচন কেইটা য়েছ মিষ্টাৰ ৰাভা
This pertains to, my lord, arbitrary cancellation, termination of the license, my lord. The petitioner.
no affidavit has been filed yes
Waiting for instructions.
huh
Waiting for instructions.
2017 you are waiting instruction
But Lordship, earlier it was appeared by the.
oh we are not concerned with all this we'll bring the instruction here
Lordship.
the source of instruction will bring here this is not the way 2007 is pending you will now say that we don't have instruction
Lordship, 2023 summer name has been.
on the prayer of the learned counsel for the respondent
One and two.
standing counsel matter stand session and be listed give a date in the second week of November
Lordship.
Entry may be continued.
12th of November 2024 interim order pass earlier shall continue until further orders full stop it is made clear that if no affidavit is filed by the next date fixed this matter will be taken on the materials available on record
Lordship, extra copy given to.
no we are not going to say at 2007 do whatever you like where is the rejection
Yes,
technical
my lord, rejection is at page 431.
431
The bidder has not submitted completion certificate and experience and past performance for successful supply of similar nature of material, furniture of minimum so and so. Now, my lord will kindly come to page 82. And they have adjusted bidder as an L1 who was born the other in February 2024. My lord will kindly come to page 83.
Page
83. Requirement is 94 numbers, my lord.
83
83.
Hmm.
We hereby certify that Messrs. Mafatlal Industries Limited, Mafatlal, Bombay, has successfully supplied and executed the following furniture work as detailed below. Department Commissioner of Integrated Child Development Service Scheme, Maharashtra, Navi Mumbai. Kindly see, my lord, furniture work, total number 1,69,200. Requirement is only 94,000. Now, if your lordship would kindly come to the next page,
this is for the period
23, 24, my lord. 22, 23. One second.
next
My lord, it was issued on 18th of May 23. So it has to be for the period, my lord, 21, 22. Then my lord will kindly come to page 84. This is to certify that Messrs. Mafatlal Industries Limited, Mumbai.
page 80
4, my lord.
into 15
Then,
Hmm.
now, if your lordship, it was issued on 3rd of May 23. This is to certify that Mafatlal Industries Limited, Mumbai, has been placed with orders to supply. So and so it contains the following item. Now kindly see, my lord, serial number 4, contract value for 4 year, 2019, 20, 2020, 21, 2021, 22, 22, 23. So in all, 11,000, my lord, 280 into 15, it is 1,69,200. So what more is required, my lord?
And my lord, the person who has been adjusted as L1, even there. Well, out of curiosity, my lord, we just wanted to find out who is this party. Kindly see.
L3 bidder.
Is the L3 bidder, my lord?
20% of the quantity will be.
This Purvanchal Synergies Private Limited, Shillong, kindly see date of incorporation 19/2/24.
Statement is at page 10.
And page 10, my lord, we have made the statement also in support of this. Exactly.
This is part of your tender, this certificate?
No. But we have, is it part of the tender? Sure. Oh, yes, part of the tender.
No, please show us
It's
the
not,
tender.
it's not, my lord.
So tender, no, this is not, so tender condition.
Yes. Page 60, 1 second.
Page,
1 second. Page 57. Page 57,
Which
H,
clause?
H. The bidder OEM should have experience and past performance for successful supply of similar nature of material of minimum 94,000 pairs in the last 2 years, 22-23, 22-24, to any central government, state government, PSU. The bidder shall have to submit work order along with so and so.
Where is that work order at the
That
satisfactory?
page 83.
No, not, I'm not saying about that. I'm saying any prescription under the tender in how, in what manner that is to be annexed.
মানে completion certificate of format আছে নি?
I want to just see.
Yes.
Generally in tender, it shows that this is the documents you'll have to upload in this way.
They sought clarification, we have clarified also, that I'll place.
Where is that?
Yes, please come to me, Lord, page number 339.
No, generally what happens in tender,
Yes,
they say
in
that.
some tenders, there are particular
No,
forms.
not even form. They say that these are the bid documents which are to be uploaded. Certain things are not to be uploaded. Certain, they specifically say this is to be uploaded.
Yes. 339, my lord,
Page,
339. This is the clarification they sought, my lord. Experience and past performance for successful supply of similar nature of material, plastic furniture of minimum 94,000 in the last 5 years. Then our reply is at next page, my lord. With reference to the above, we hereby like to clarify the points mentioned in clarification required mentioned below. Experience and past performance for successful supply of similar nature of material, that is plastic furniture, minimum so and so. As per the terms of the bid, we have submitted past performance statement of a total 1,69,200 number of desk floor sitting in the last 4 years, along with the purchase order, translated copy, satisfactory completion certificate, C certificate, clarifying breakup of the value of the work segment wise and CA certificate, also for 84,075 number of desk floor sitting in 23-24, along with purchase order, translated copy of the payment receipt, etc., etc., etc. Thereafter, my lord.
Page 342, sorry, breakup.
And the breakup is in page 342, my lord.
page,
342.
This will submit a file.
First column is for 2019-20. And then, my lord, second column 2021, 21-22, 22-23, that we have year wise we have given.
okay.
And my lord, kindly see that the L3, he is a company who was incorporated on 19th of February 24.
Okay.
And to that, my lord, averment is there at page 10.
Para 4.7.
Okay.
Upon inquiry, it appears that one of the respondent was incorporated only on 19th February. In these circumstances, it is highly improbable that.
Yes, Mr.
Lordship, certain tender conditions were not fulfilled. That is the ground. They have also failed to submit the completion certificate which they have requested to Maharashtra government lordship. That was not submitted. And they have also placed 339.
339,
They
yeah.
were given opportunity also. Annexure 6. With reference to the above, it is to inform you that you have not uploaded the following documents.
Where do we get that?
Page
Okay, you-
339 of the writ petition.
Okay, low, high plastic table chair.
And experience and past certificate for successful supply. What my learned senior friend is placing are the orders of supply, not the completion of supply. So that you will represent also lordship, the tender process has culminated. Letter of expression of interest has been already issued. Acceptance letter. So notice may be issued, we'll definitely take call.
Now, how much time will it take this for this supply?
120 days.
120 days.
And this is of great public interest because
that we understand.
yes, that is why. So no stay order may be granted at this stage.
And
They have badly could not fulfill the basic requirements. And otherwise the fund will
Where is
also
the-
go back.
where is the tender?
Page 346, my lord.
Just 57, let us see. Reason. Just a little submit work order copy along with satisfactory completion. Where is the completion certificate?
346.
Three?
46. Last paragraph, Milord. Mafatlal Industries has successfully executed and implemented the same for our department under contract executed in so and so, so and so, so and so. We certified that has successfully supplied and executed the above contract. We use so and so, so and so.
Okay.
Now, lordship would kindly see where is the date. I don't see any date.
No.
And lordship will kindly see page 430.
No, this is 3/5/2023. Top.
On right hand side top.
Page number
Page 346.
346. 346. This is a previous year, lordship. 346, this is her so and so has been placed with order of supply. So this is placing of order.
No, we certified Mafatlal has successfully supplied and executed the above contract. And this is 1920, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2023.
In all probably this was not submitted, lordship. Otherwise, this letter would not have come. So there is some missing facts. We will definitely respond to every allegation.
Let us do one
Yes.
thing. Let us prima facie, this seems to be a subject to what materials are there.
Yes.
See, basic condition is we considering that public interest and it's a supply of material to the
Yes.
children.
Yes.
And work order has already been issued.
Letter of
Letter of
acceptance.
anyway. Now see, prima facie, the rejection of ground by the committee is that you have not produced this past performance and successful supply. Requested to submit a document on by 25/8/2024. So it was according to the authority, it was not submitted, but they were given a chance on 25/8/2024. Accordingly, they have submitted this prima facie, subject to deliberation. It is for a satisfaction to this court that this amounts to a successful completion.
Yes.
So therefore, we are fixing this matter on 21. We may not issue a notice. We'll see the record and till then no supply.
Yes.
That's all. We are not even going for a notice. We'll decide on that motion this itself. Because we understand there is an urgency.
Urgency.
Yes. Only 21st. Otherwise, if this matter would
And
have
if
come
we know
yesterday, we could have
holiday-
decided. That is the
But
only.
The normal process can go on.
Go and don't execute the supply.
Supply.
Don't supply. You proceed with this.
Purvanchal, they can should not be given. He's a prime minister that Purvanchal party. He was in court.
No, if it is not supplied, even if we find that somebody is not, that will be subject to final outcome. So for the time being, what we are saying is, don't them allow to supply the materials. That's all. Till
No
21.
difficult. No liquid.
12, 21. We are not even issuing notice at this stage.
Lordship.
If we find that nothing is there, why should we
Lordship.
delay this process by calling this private respondents? Is that it?
Understand? No, sir.
Mr. K. N. Choudhury, learned counsel for the learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. Sina, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. T. Chaikia, learned advocate general for the state respondents, assisted by Mr. S. Bora. Full stop. The present writ petition is filed assailing the decision of the, what is the committee? Technical Bid Evaluation Committee, dated
21, Milord.
21/9/2024,
9/24.
whereby the tender of the petitioner in respect of supply of plastic furniture was declared to be
Technically non-responsive.
declared to be technically non-responsive for the reason that the petitioner did not submit completion certificate at past performance of successful supply of similar nature of materials. Full stop. Full stop. Mr. Choudhury, referring to Annexure 6 of the petition, submits that the employer, by communication dated 23/8/2024, sought for clarification in this regard, and accordingly, they have responded by submitting the completion certificate issued by the Deputy Commissioner, Integrated Child Development Service Scheme, Maharashtra State, Navi Mumbai, and therefore such ground of rejection is arbitrary. Full stop. At the same time, Mr. The Advocate General submits that this matters relates to public interest and distribution of items for the school children, and therefore this court may not pass an interim order inasmuch as there is no illegality, and this communication is dated 3/5/2023. Full stop. This matter needs further consideration, and considering that the matter involves public interest and
also letter of acceptance has been issued.
Also, Mr. Advocate General also submits that letter of acceptance has already been issued to the supplier. Full stop. In the prima facie view of this court, subject to further deliberation, the communication dated 3/5/2023 issued by the Integrated Child Development Service Scheme, Deputy Commissioner, Integrated Child Development Service Scheme, Maharashtra State, Navi Mumbai, suggested to be we are not saying suggested to be a completion certificate in respect of the supply. In aforesaid view of the matter, and also balancing the equity and considering the urgency of the state, the matter is let the matter be posted on 21st of October 2024 to enable the state respondents to complete their instruction. Till such date, it is provided that no supply order, no supply be carried out in terms of the letter of acceptance already issued.
However, the proceedings, because there are certain procedures, regular, the normal formalities may be.
Needless to say that the authorities may
proceed with
their
completion of the
administrative procedure. However, actual supply shall not be carried out till 21st.
Highly obliged.
Then utensil.
Same thing.
Same thing.
Same thing, same premise, everything same. Here, my lord, there is one more additional point. The OEM and my lord, the person who has taken support from the both were tenderers, which under the state act cannot be made.
Okay, that will not record anything today.
Similar position.
Similar position, but who is the supplier certificate here? Let us see that.
My lord, that cancellation.
No, that the supply, because ground is same, that he did not satisfy with the supply tender.
Page 83. Page 83, my lord.
Who issued that? Same authority?
1 second.
For the purpose of dictation.
No, lordship is, sorry, I couldn't get.
We have said that so and so has issued a certificate which suggested to be a, now who is the authority here?
Maharashtra, page 92, my lord.
Where is the explanation sought in this three case? Page?
Yes, page 435
Page 430.
and reply is 436.
430.
5 is the explanation and 436 is the reply, my lord.
435.
Yes.
Five. No. Please take this. Explanation sought was just note down. I will correct it. Explanation was sought on 9/9/2024. Okay. And where is the certificate? Okay.
Page 436 is the response, my lord.
436 issued by just 436. Write it down. I will look into. There may be now issue on 21st whether shares are desk or share.
Deeply.
Is that it, Mr. Chaudhary? Low floor desk or whether can be treated as plastic share. That will be the issue. Supply is off. Yes. Anyway.
Deep development.
Anything, any development?
Escort Bank, yes, development is there. Lord. Let my friend make the submission. He is very thorough with the
Okay.
facts.
My lord, item number 28. Who is taking this branch? Suppose
We'll come to that. You want to detect it?
this matter not.
Okay, we'll do that. Let us do that.
My lord, may I have these documents, my lord? One issued by the government and another two documents by the registrar, my lord.
Where is
This reflects, my lord, the latest position. I don't deduct. Registrar to paisa. Lagile to registrar. আছে। কামুর আছে।
Good, at least something will happen.
Yeah. Nothing remains here, Lordship. If Lordship direct, then we can file a short affidavit also. Annexing this, then Lordship may be pleased to close it.
Pursuant to this court's earlier order dated 6/9/2024, in reference to this court's earlier order dated 23/7/2024 and 6/9/2024. It is heard Mr. Swenso, Advocate General, and Mr. Swenso, co-person, and Mr. Swenso. It seems that proposal has an inspector that zonal joint register of cooperative societies, Guwahati zone, has already been directed to conduct an inspection of the bank in question under section 88 of the Assam Cooperative Societies Act 2007 to assess the probability of the revival of Escort Bank with special emphasis on the assets and liabilities of the bank so as to enable the register to proceed further for revival or closure of the bank as the case may be. In view of the aforesaid, the matter stands adjourned. Inasmuch as in the event it is revived, the grievance of the petitioners can be redressed by the revived entity. And if it is a closure, then also the petitioner will be entitled for their legal right under the procedure of closure. Full stop. Therefore, this matter stands adjourned for 4 weeks. In the meantime, an affidavit may be filed.
Lords.
This is the basic issue.
Lords. Highly obliged.
Item number 28. This matter we detect from the present batch of writ petition. It is nowhere related to that. You want a copy? copy. Give it-
We'll furnish.
Okay, okay.
In fact, we'll,
Okay.
the affidavit will bring it on record, but we'll give my advance copy to them.
What's the date, my lord, if I may pray?
We will give a date. Give a date. For further hearing. Yes, give a date. 19th of November.
Highly obliged.
That is
After vacation.
after vacation. We share. You wanna share? Sure. Yes,
With legal lordship.
yes, tell us.
My lord, with regard to my lord compensation, my lord, my lord, I have a
This is item number.
Nine.
petitioner husband, my lord, died in the custody of the state, my lord.
That matter. What is the affidavit?
What is it? Natural death, lordship.
Necessary date, but they have raised an issues where a postmortem report is there.
Yes. Yes. And in the order of the lordship.
Postmortem report is there and they say that this is a negligence. Maybe necessary date, but it was a negligence on your part. What is the material on that?
My lord, he was suffering from tuberculosis in human rights order, my lord.
Ah.
But my lord, in spite of the court's order, my lord, 2/7/2019, 6/7/18, and 10/7/2019, the medical treatment should be given to the petitioner, my lord. But he was given medical treatment, but not the proper treatment, my lord. So due to the negligence of the
Require some deliberation after vacation. As agreed to by the learned. See, your fundamental question is apparently on the inquiry report and all, it is said that it is a necessary date. But the question arises, if a citizen is under custody, it is your also responsibility to give him proper treatment. If you are negligent, he is diseased, suppose he is crying, you are not taking him to hospital. Of course, it is also a custodial date. You may not torture him, but if for your negligence, if a person dies, it will be a difficult proposition. So we'll have to examine this method. November last part. Yes, what is this?
My lord, this is a petitioner is an importer and exporter of a barter trade agreement between the government of India and Myanmar.
Who is representing Reserve Bank?
Reserve Bank, nobody, I don't know. Then
Notice served?
PN, no, not everything was served, my lord. PN, then my lord, barter trade was formulated by RBI circular. 16/10/2000, Annexure 3.
Basically, to make a decision, we'll have to hear Reserve Bank as well as the
PNB.
PNB. Where is Mr. Ganguly? Ganguly's name is shown. What to do?
Yesterday I have contacted at night from Shillong, but they said they will appear. Standing Council of
Reserve Bank.
No.
That
This,
is-
PNB. Mr. Ganguly and his junior Dotto.
What to do? Tell us.
No, so my lord, what happened? I just
No, I understand. I have gone through your brief, your whole issue
So-
as per Reserve Bank guidelines.
Yes,
something is to be,
yes, the Reserve
something
Bank
is
had
to be
issued.
done that has not been done by
Yes,
the bank.
Reserve
Therefore,
Bank
in
had
the
issued-
result you have suffered.
Yes,
Sum
yeah.
and substance, this is the
Some,
story.
this is the
So therefore
RBI
we'll have
issued
to-
letter,
we'll have-
Annexure 13, my lord.
So we'll have to hear them.
Yes.
And they are not here. What to do,
So,
tell us.
now it is up to your court.
No, what
so-
up to me? We
so-
cannot decide in absence or in their
Yes,
absence.
but no coercive action should be taken by the enforcement authority, income tax or ED of the FEMA or custom authority for violation of barter trade agreement. We are afraid of that. So a stay may be given,
Not yet taken. Not yet taken.
not yet taken, but they are,
The moment it take, make a mention, we'll.
yes, now the enforcement authority already taken. We have mentioned. So
None appears for Reserve Bank of India as well as the
last 10 years, my
Punjab-
lord, it was decided in 2015.
Punjab National
And
Bank.
lot of
Full
correspondence.
stop. In the considered opinion of this court, in their absence, it may not be proper to decide this matter. However, this court cannot delay a matter for want of the learned standing counsel. Considering the interest of justice, as a last chance, matter stands adjourned and be listed on give a date as per your convenience.
After vacation, any day.
Give a date. As per your, since you are an outstation counsel.
Okay, then October 18, oh no, not 18, October 19.
19th of October 2024. If, Saturday?
Then after what?
Reopening on 21st.
Okay, 21st.
21st?
Or any day as
Give a date as per your convenience.
we give a fixed date so that I can come from Shillong.
30th of October 2024. If none appears for the respondent on that day, the matter shall be taken on the basis of materials available on record.
Much obliged, much obliged.
Yes, any development?
I have just a communication to them. They received it on the 27th of September. But I have not received any response yet.
Lordship, in this case, here that is a different thing, but the dispute which there was a dispute regarding the sharing of the portfolios, and that has already been in the year 2021. In item number 12, there is an agreement where
Item number 12.
Right.
12.
Lordship may kindly turn.
Criminal petition.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship may kindly turn to page number 91.
Page 91. What is this criminal petition? Quashing
Yes, Lordship.
on the basis of compromise
Yes, Lordship.
between
Compromise also.
Yes, there was a compromise and it is already.
Unrelated to, the FIR is completely unrelated. The compromise happened, compromise over. We are an NBFC, we
this
fund.
is between Fortune Integrated SS Finance
That's
Limited
us, our code.
and Amarasakti Commerce and Industries Limited.
Yes, Your Lordship. And item 15 is one of the directors. The main director.
No, let us take this
Lordship may kindly turn to page number 91.
page. This is Sarmisa Borua versus State of Maharashtra and other. Isn't it?
Yes.
Now, what do you want in this petition?
Lordship, there is a compromise and it pays Lordship.
Where
may
is your
kindly-
prayer?
Lordship.
Here, where is the FIR?
Lordship, FIR is at page
Same FIR in both the cases.
64. Yes,
Huh?
Lordship. And as per the terms, one of the terms.
Just let us understand. FIR arising out of Dadar PS case number 816 of 2021.
Yes.
Same case in your case also. Dadar case 816
30/9/21.
2021. Okay. Now this was filed by whom?
By Fortune, R4.
By R4. Against
In-
whom?
Against Amar Shakti.
Commerce and Industries Limited.
Who is that petitioner?
Yes, Your Lordship.
One of the directors, she is one of the directors.
Okay. Filed against whom? The company.
Company.
Company name is?
Company is Messrs. Eco Motors and Automobiles Private Limited and Messrs. Amar Shakti Commerce and Industries Limited.
Eco Motors and Amar Shakti.
Yeah, and its directors, there are 5 directors, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Kumar
Now,
Gaurav is
according to you, R4 and Amar Shakti has entered into an compromise.
Yes.
Where is that?
Lordship, that starts from page 88.
Page
88.
88. Now, what is the stand of this Fortune Integrated R4 in this petition?
Lordship, as per this compromise, they are to withdraw the cases that they have filed, and we are to withdraw the cases that we have filed against
You
them.
understand?
We have already withdrawn.
No, are they a party here?
Yes, Lordship.
What is their stand in their affidavit?
No affidavit is in file.
So let them file an affidavit.
in item 12.
You have to file.
Yes. Okay.
Otherwise, how can we decide? Full stop. Just write down item 12. The present application is filed for quashment of FIR being Dadar PS case number 816/2021 registered under sections 406, section 409, 420, 465, 468, 471, 120B IPC. So far, the same relates to the present petitioner. Full stop. The present application is filed on the alleged background that a memorandum of understanding was entered between respondent number 4 and Amar Shakti Commerce and Industries Limited, of which the petitioner is one of the director. Such memorandum was purportedly entered on November 15, 2021. Full stop. The counsel for the respondent 4, that is Fortune Integrated Assets Finance Limited, pressed for and is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. List accordingly. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, what about 5707?
Here I have issued a communication to the.
No. Now, what is the subject matter here?
We have also challenged the same FIR. Our grounds of challenge are somewhat different because we have said that there is no jurisdiction of the.
Okay, fine.
Yes. Now, because the petitioner number 2 was
This is petitioner, one of the director of
one of the directors of Amar Shakti
Amar Shakti.
and the Amar company.
Okay. The WPC 5707/2021 is filed by another director of Amar Shakti, assailing the same FIR. Isn't it?
Along with the company, yeah. Company's petitioner number 1.
Here, company's petition. Okay. Then on the Amar Shakti, now look at the another writ petition. No, not another, same common order. No? WPC 5707/2021 is filed by the company itself, that is Messrs. Amar Shakti Commerce Limited, for quashment of the same FIR, however, on some different counts, not on the basis of compromise. More particularly on the ground of want of jurisdiction of the investigating authority to take cognizance of the offences and to register the FIR. Full stop. What is your stand in this case?
In this case, that first it's not maintainable. Even if it's maintainable, question is then two issues arise. One is maintainable.
We'll examine your case that
whether
Alpana Bandyopadhyay.
Yes.
That jurisdiction so far relating to High Court jurisdiction, the jurisdiction of the police, whether it is there or not, is to be taken by the Bombay High Court, not by this High Court. This will be
and on merits, if it even if assuming it is maintainable, question is under 482 read with 226. Can they come to your lordship to interfere in investigation stage?
In view of the accordingly, matter be listed after vacation.
Obliged, your lordship.
You filed your pleadings.
Yes. Lordship will give a date.
Nothing will happen. This matter should not get preferences.
Obliged.
That's the lordship.
Mm.
Civility inspector already filed the affidavit.
You want to
and
file
I have
reply?
Submit the copy of the affidavit. I already submit the copy of the affidavit.
You have filed reply affidavit.
No. My electrical inspector has filed the affidavit, lordship.
Oh, sir, this is electrical inspector. File the affidavit. Where is that? What is the ground?
My lord.
Fault is upon whom according to electrical inspector?
My lord, on APDCL, my lord. APDCL. Can you see the? My lord may dispose of.
With a liberty.
My lord.
Same order. Other 2 orders also have not signed yet. We'll get it all this after vacation. We have just disposed it of. Order will get after vacation. 5 lakhs in terms of that disposal.
Simple issue, my lord, by photograph in reply. We give
Anything survived in this petition?
Yes, pleadings completed.
Anything survives? Because that building is no more the court building, that road is no more the road to the court. That is no more road to the bar office. New building is constructed in Shivsagar and it has been shifted.
Yes, ma'am.
Mister, are you having any connection with your client? No. That's why I'm asking. I'm the portfolio judge of Shivsagar district.
That is your lordship is better knowledge.
That building is no more where this obstruction all issues. Now is a new building in separate everybody's place is assigned, stamp vendor, court, bar, clerks, everything. Mr. Burua, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be allowed to complete his instruction whether anything survives in these matters to be adjudicated in view of the shifting of the court campus of district judiciary of Sibsagar. List after vacation.
As per last order, the
Uh,
respondents are the-
Yes. No affidavit has been filed by the respondents, none appears for the respondents. Respondent, Union of India. In the interest of justice, matter stands adjourned and be listed after vacation. Interim order, pass earlier, shall continue. Okay, but this is not your role, this is the GST.
No, Union of India.
Yes, GST. Some people are to be invited to the court. Yes.
Lordship, allow us more time, Lordship, to file our affidavit.
Right, Nadi. The learned counsel, standing counsel for the GST,
Lordship.
praise foreign is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. List this matter after 3 weeks, interim order pass earlier shall continue till then.
DP obliged. This is the Belgium.
Lordship, Union is supposed to file.
Where is Union? Gayan. Gayan are supposed to file affidavit. Yes. Within a week, she was supposed to file. On that day, she gave an impression that everything is ready. I am just filing. Where is she?
Lordship, she's in Lex, Lordship.
This issue we want to resolve. So many cases are pending. We will take it as a sample case. Admittedly, the state admits that they have executed the work. They are entitled for the money. Admittedly, such works were executed on the promise of the union that money will be released. Now, union will have to say when and how, what is the admitted amount. That's all. We may pass an order, then thereafter they'll file a contempt, and again your secretary Jalasakti will have to be here. Which you want? We will pass a strict order.
Lordship, let her come, Lordship.
What will she say? She will say, I need for 1 week more time. Nothing more. We are fixing it in the first week of November. Complete your instruction. A last chance is granted to MSA Gayan Learned CGSE to file affidavit by next 2 weeks. If no such affidavit is filed, this court may be compelled to ask for appearance of competent officers in the Ministry of Jalasakti, Union of India, inasmuch as in absence of an affidavit from the said authority, this matter cannot be disposed of in proper manner. List this matter on 6th of November 2024. Just note these days, other matters also will fix on 6th. Just take note of these days. Other matters also, whenever it comes, fix it on 6th.
18th also same order.
18 same. List this matter along with French. One affidavit will cover. What is your how much money you have sanctioned according to you? What is the completion status and why money is not released? That's all.
In item number 18 and 19, Lordship, Brahmaputra board may be included, Lordship. as a
19
party,
is something else. Your Lordship.
19.
No, 18.
17, 18.
No, 19 is contractors bill, something different. 17 and 18 gone, 19. What is 19?
Non-payment of bill, the department is the PWD, your lordship.
Mm.
It was received to.
Lordship may dispose of the matter.
Dispose of to do what?
We may be instructed to release the outstanding amount, Lordship.
Within,
Lordship may grant 3 months' time.
we'll record it. Paragraph 3rd. It is also submitted by the Learned Council, you are, MS?
For P. Nayak.
A. Borthakur, council appearing on behalf of P. Nayak, that the admitted amount will be paid by the respondent authorities within a period of
3 months.
3 months from today. In view of the aforesaid submission on instruction, the present writ petition stands disposed of by permitting the petitioner to furnish a copy of this order before the whom? Before the chief engineer.
Number 3, your lordship.
Before the chief engineer, respondent number 3. Full stop. On receipt of such application, on receipt of some communication, the chief engineer, PWD roads or what? PWD road shall take note of the same along with the communication of the executive engineer, PWD road, Silsar and Udarban Territorial Road Division dated 11/9/2024 and verify the claim of the petitioner and thereafter make the and thereafter ensure that the admitted amount is made within a period of 3 months from receipt of the copy of the order. Full stop. It disposes the writ petition.
Deeply obliged.
Writ petition stands allowed on the preliminaries.
No clarification is required.
That we have just kept it for that purpose. We thought that if we don't go, if we do not accept that argument, we'll go and therefore hear it today.
Yes.
So therefore that part, pass and judgment, we will get it by tomorrow or today itself.
Right.
Yes.
Yes.
I have prepared a short written reply, your lordship. I'll just read out the preliminary points quickly, your lordship.
Where is that?
It's with me. I'll just read it out and then I'll furnish a copy to your lordship. Lordship, the prosecution has sought to rely upon the testimony of the investigating officer. So my response to that would be, lordship, that out of the 5 cases, firstly, he was the investigating officer, only 2 of them. The testimony of the other investigating officer in the other 3 cases has not been brought on. He was never examined. Why he was not examined, that has never been explained. Secondly, your lordship, in his cross-examination, a specific suggestion was put to him saying that you have not examined, you have not collected the specimen of the signatures and handwriting in the presence of witness, which he denied. So that means he collected it in the presence of witnesses. So therefore, after admitting that he has collected it, there was no reason not to examine those persons as witnesses. Thirdly, your lordship, under section 47 of the Indian Evidence Act, when a court has to form an opinion on the handwriting, on whether that is the handwriting of a person in a document, then the relevant fact which has to be, how that relevant fact would be the opinion of a person who is acquainted with the handwriting of that person. And the explanation to that section says that a person is said to be acquainted with the handwriting when he has seen that person write that document, or that person has responded to him to a document which he has addressed to that person, or he deals with the handwriting of that person in the usual course of business. So none of those three conditions are satisfied in this case. So therefore, the court below could not have come to a conclusion beyond reasonable doubt that the handwriting in the specimen signatures and the question documents belonged
to the same,
to the accused persons. That is all, Your Lordship. I have just marked out which are the exhibits, which are the specimen signatures, and which are the admitted documents, and the opinion of the handwriting expert in all the documents.
This more or less in addition. This is I already argued, so nothing new.
Yes.
Okay. Give a copy. Hearing concluded, judgment reserved.
Just I want to make one clarification with regard to that explanation.
Ah.
It is clearly mentioned that the explanation to the said provision provides that when a person is said to be acquainted with the handwriting of another person, when he has seen the person write, so the IO, while taking the specimen, he has seen him write.
Hearing concluded, judgment reserved.
Value.
May I please? My lord, here, my lord, the last occasion they filed one affidavit by the National Highway, my lord. Page your lordship will kindly see. That matter, damage. Yes, yes. Page 78, lordship. Page 78 of their affidavit. 78. Yes. Paragraph 5, man. There is some change in circumstances. 78. Yes, my lord. Paragraph 5, may I read it, my lord? This page 78, something is different. Affidavit filed by National Highway. Additional affidavit. Additional affidavit. Filed by respondent number 6. Paragraph 5. This will be your paragraph will be page will be 84. Okay. Then because this affidavit starts in the sequence, though in your paper it starts at 75, isn't it? It starts at 81. Just correct it. Yes. Now, your lordship, kindly may I read paragraph 5. That is the issue, my lord. That it is stated that as the grievances of the petitioner are similar to the grievances of other people and NGOs, as such, the project director PIU, Haflong National Highway, has sent a letter number so and so dated 13/8, 2024 to the Revenue Secretary NC Hills, Dima Hasao, wherein it was informed that the claims of the petitioner were placed before the said damage assessment committee, and the letter was requested to review, my lord. Can you see, my lord? To review the claim of the petitioner, as he is the chairman of the damage assessment committee. Now, your lordship will kindly see. Where is Mr. Borua?
Lordship, he is on Lake, Lordship.
Last occasion also, my lord, he was not present. Now the revenue secretary, my lord, have to review my claim, my lord. And revenue secretary is silent till now, my lord. Whether, because, my lord, the issue, my lord, page 80. Mr. Borua, both Boruas. 20 minutes will not be able to decide this. Yes, yes. And don't be so spirited to complete the hearing before vacation. No. Anyway, in a lighter vein, we'll take it immediately after vacation. Okay. As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, list this matter on. Date may be given. We'll give a date. As per Mr. Borua, you are the busiest counsel.
No. Anyhow, I'll give you September, October, no, I'm here. No,
24th.
Huh? 24th, my lord?
24th.
Here, this order will, of record I am selling, it will, because what will go to lordship, but it will affect lot many people.
Therefore, we'll pass a proper.
This is to be very, 83 point some crores involved.
But that exercise is over, my instruction. That is
Okay.
the difficulty.
Now, only if exercise is over, only payment remains, whether your part is covered,
Yes.
whether you are satisfied with this,
Yes.
that will be a different issue. But if it is over, then whether a KSC has, you are representing KSC, revenue,
Silent.
NC Hills, what is your decision? Because it has been sent by them to review
Yes.
you. What is your decision? In the meantime, the London Standing Council, SC Hills Autonomous District Council may submit the status as regards the reassessment done by them in terms of the request made by NHAI, which is reflected in the additional affidavit filed by the respondent number 6. If you bring on that, on the
That is
next
done.
day, there may be nothing.
We are done, sir.
Yes.
Affidavit may be carved up on our.
Give it.
Yes.
Of respondent number 6. Mr.
I
Bora,
give
give
it,
it.
not just
Yes.
I give, I suppose, generally I give, I don't know how it is left.
Lordship, it was not taken back.
Hmm?
It was not taken back. It was undertaken by the petitioner's husband. It was once deceased on 26 and 4. And one is of 26/9/24 when it was handed over, and this one, another one is of 2 days. It will be 4/10, but it is given 4/9.
Lordship,
It was
what
with-
happened? Yesterday at around 7 PM,
Hmm.
the police went to my home
Hmm.
and they suggested me to give some time to them. to
Okay,
collect-
fine, give
Yeah.
time.
There are lots of things, as I have told, there are
On that time, he has given me a key. And today at 10:30, he has taken an undertaking from me in this respect.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine. See, this is, we'll not dispose of this matter today. See, they are also having a difficulty.
Definitely.
A district magistrate cannot take away, suppose all the properties here, you can be compensated later on. That is another aspect. So we are not closing this matter, though subject matter is almost over. We are fixing this matter in the 2nd week of November. In the meantime, since you have also saying that they may take back this amount for within that period, we'll provide that. That's all.
But within a specific time. Lordship.
Okay. Mr. SS Learned Counsel, pursuant to this court's order dated 30/10/2024, on instruction submits that the materials kept inside the sealed premises, that the petitioner refused to take over possession of the articles lying inside the sealed house, as according to the petitioner, that does not belong to her but to her erstwhile tenant. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid, Mr. Roy on instruction submits that the district administration shall require some time to take back those materials and articles. Therefore, they have already requested the petitioner to grant time, which the petitioner has agreed. Full stop. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner also submits that she has suffered since last
2015. Lordship.
since last almost 10 years. Last almost 10 years, isn't it? Almost 10 years. So she can wait for another 1 month for the district administration. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid, let this matter be listed on November 28, 2024. In the meantime, the district administration shall take back the articles lying inside the room. Full stop. Full stop. The other prayer of the petitioner so far relating to the grant of compensation for illegal ceiling of the house since 10/9/2015 shall be considered on the next date fix. List
We
this
have-
matter on.
We have initially asked them to take back, to recover your damages, take back all the materials. I have told that.
Their value may be zero.
No, Lordship, new freeze, as well told, freeze.
Oh, freeze will not remain freeze. sir.
Last 10 years, so.
New items are all filled up with,
You ask the deputy commissioner to auction it and in the meantime collect some money.
Yes, Lordship.
problem, Lordship, because the petition, the tenant has also filed a complaint to get back this articles.
So you keep it some.
But he is not coming, Lordship.
How can I take these
Then
burdens?
you say the magistrate in the complaint that we are ready to hand it over. Matter ends there.
Lordship.
We'll come and take it back. Your headache is also over. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Deeply obliged.
So for that item number 2, and that is repetition 7220/2015, Lordship. Lordship, I called, but I was in another court, Lordship. So I have already submitted the gist, Lordship. The thing that, Lordship, that I have already submitted in a short manner in the record, and I put the flag mark. I think only thing that everything was under the new act. Lordship, again, that this way, right?
Okay.
Because otherwise, this is in the record, Lordship. I put it.
Okay, just keep it.
Yes, Lordship. That is in
Almost
the
we
record.
have declared the
yes,
fact in your presence. So
yes,
we'll
Lord.
verify with this.
And section 24(1)(a) that is applicable.
Yes.
And
That we have
interest-
already recorded.
Lordship, only the thing is that I am relying that the interest part, Lordship,
Hmm.
that your Honorable Justice Devashish Bora judgment I have placed, where Lordship, paragraph 9, I have put that judgment also in the record, because the 9 is said, because if delay is, then ultimately the hamper goes to the authority, government, unnecessary. So that part only, that thing.
Yes.
That's the Arup Basu judgment, that because some payment has been made, so that will be, Lordship last occasion told that that will be adjusted. No issue.
Yes.
The further there is no thing, nothing else. That's
Over.
Yes, Lordship.
So happy puja.
Happy puja, Lordship. Okay, happy to.
That regarding ballot box and all. Okay.
Yes.
We'll pass orders on 23rd. Okay, I'll be there. It is difficult in virtual mode. And from 23rd, if you have filed an IA, we'll ask the petitioner to file objection to that. But we request that you should complete the filing before 23rd. Okay.
My lord,
Ah.
my lord, I may be given a suitable time
Ah.
to file and reply.
So therefore, we are fixing this matter on 23rd.
My lord,
23rd of October.
3 weeks. 3 weeks.
See, election petition will have to be completed within 6 months.
Oblige, my lord.
Okay. There is a
Yes.
time period for 6 months. So we cannot give long period.
Oblige, my lord.
So therefore, we'll request you, today is
Today is
4th.
4th.
So you will have till 20, if you filed it on 21st.
My lord,
Okay, that is a reopening day in Itanagar also.
my lord.
Okay, if you file on 21st, on 23rd, we can hear this matter on the IA.
My lord, let it be on 24th.
Okay, 24th.
Yes. Then I will file on 23.
23 also you can file, or 21st, if you can file on 21st or 22nd, then they can go through it.
Yes, my lord. Oblige.
Oh, you do that. Okay. Pass an order in IA. The present application is filed under Order 6, Rule 11 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, read with
My lord,
Section 80.
Order 7.
Order 7. Order 7, Rule 11 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, read with Section 86 of the Representation of People's Act 1951, praying for rejection of the election petition. Full stop. The learned, the petitioner in person has prayed for 2 weeks, na? 2 weeks, no? 2 weeks time to file a reply to such IA. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on 24th of 4th of October 2024 for hearing on the IA, Full stop. Now next, coming to the main case, what is the other thing? Oh, okay. Okay, written statement has been filed by the respondent number
1 year.
1. Same is taken on record. Full stop. Same is taken on record. Full stop. List this matter on 24th of October 2024 in IA. List this matter on IA 140. List this matter on 24th of October 2024 for delivery of orders. Okay, on that day we'll deliver the order, and in other cases we'll hear the IA. Okay, depending upon the IA decision of the IA, then we'll proceed so far relating to the others. If we allow the IA, nothing survives. If we reject the IA, then we'll fix a date for framing of issues and evidence and all whatsoever in under CPC. Okay, then we'll take, but don't expect to get long dates thereafter. Okay. That's all. Thank you. Happy Puja to all of you.
Thank you. Thank you.